Check that out. Breakfast stuffed mushrooms. That's what it is, folks. Today, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. So on the Baby Bella, you just pop it off. We're gonna ground all this up, throw down some hash browns. So all we do here is we bring them over, and I like to get the inside, the outside, and that's where I call them a bathing. And there it is. Okay, they crisping. This is gonna be awesome, y'all. We're gonna put some breading in it, and we're going to put some cheese in it. We're going with 2 eggs. I didn't want to overcook. So right now I'm just going to add 2 handfuls. Blender in, Papa! I may have to talk to my producer and see if maybe I can make that happen myself. Can't forget the cheese. How many times I've done that? And we're just gonna put it on there like that. All right, this won't take long at all. Actually, we're gonna go in here like this. I'm gonna do it for just a little bit, and I'm gonna flip it. I think this is a winner chicken dinner. You're gonna love this one. Yeah! Taste test time. Yeah. There we go. I'll go half. You can taste the breakfast. Oh, that's really good. Y'all have a blessed rest of the week. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.